Cause
that bird gonna die anyway.
Okay, there's a baby bird. We found a baby bird.
It's sleeping. It's sleeping.
Don't
Don't mess with it.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm giving it some air.
Hey, put it back and put it on the tree or something.
Oh look, y'all, we can put it in.
Yeah, but how?
It's
Because
gonna be fat.
it's too fat. It's number.
If you put it in there, it's gonna explode.
Oh.
Cause his belly's too fat.
Wow, Zadie fits.
It's explode in a second. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Capillo.
Poor bird.
I told
It's
you.
a fat bird. You can tell it's fat.
And it's very blood.
Oh Jesus. Ooh, can we put some water on it?
No,
No.
Why?
because it's gonna.
Much. That much.
Okay.
Man, oh, this is good. This is good for it. Look.
Yeah, but it can't drink water
Wow.
because then it's gonna suffocate and it's not ready to drink water.
Oh. They let it out.
The bird is really fat though.
Literally.
This mother fed him too much. That's
Well, that's his
It's long.
I want to show this to Olivia. She might keep the bird.
Olivia's not here.
Oh shoot, bro! It almost got stuck.
Put it back in there. It's still water.
Do not put it in the lake, y'all. Just put it in the grass. I mean, not in the grass, but
Put it up in the trees, go in the air and play baseball with it.
no.
It's gonna fall out and we don't know what it is. And we actually might step on it.
We can put it in that bucket.
Don't mess with my gun. Put it down.
No, I'm trying to see.
Zadie, you go dig for worms. Let's see if it will eat.
Right.
Since you're good at picking up worms, we will babysit.
Don't mind if I do.
And besides, it's just like back in the old days when the boys have to hunt and the ladies have to.
Don't mind if I do.
Okay. I think it's dead. I think it's dying.
Mind if I do.
It's dying.
Don't mind if I do.
Okay, it's still moving.
Okay.
Good. It's still.
We're gonna feed it a bug.
It's sitting out. It tried to sit out. What's our baby? No, is that you dig for worms?
I can't see.
It looks like a turtle.
Mm.
Try to see.
It opened his mouth. Look.
It's been open his mouth. It's hungry.
Give it some food.
Go dig for worms. It's
I'm trying. I can't see one.
Zayda to dig harder.
I need another stick.
Get another stick, dude.
Get a stick.
Instead of trying to feed it feed it a healthy gummy, a multiple gummy.
And it won't open. I put it in enough and it ain't gonna eat it. And it ain't a big one.
You could tell it ate too much worms. I think I see a worm wiggling.
Ooh, it's booty hole.
This is so disgusting, y'all. Okay.
Somebody give me a stick. I'm gonna feed it a ball.
If you want to, you can turn it because it's gonna be very disgusting.
Somebody pick this up. There's a cricket on this.
Just what we need. I want to see that dead mouse.
I don't trust.
The dead mouse.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, where?
I don't trust this cricket. It might jump.
That is dead. The dead mouse is right over.
It's gone. It's gone.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
The mouse ran away.
I didn't know that. It was gone yesterday and the other day.
Yeah, that mouse must have stunk.
Then feed it that cricket.
No, because it's not ready to chew. It only eats slimy worms, boy.